So, what can roughly $1 million buy you in Santa Barbara? How about a private, 3-story retreat design specifically for relaxation and inspired living? That's right, this is a 3-bedroom home perfect for families, roommates, or a flexible home office setup. There's a chef's kitchen with a professional-grade Viking stove, ideal for culinary creativity and fabulous entertaining. There are double French doors off the living room area that opens into an outdoor sanctuary, perfect for starting the days with morning coffee, meditation, or spend intimate evenings under the stars. Whether you're biking to East Beach or strolling the nearby parks, exploring the restaurants and shops along Coast Village Road is always a treat. There is off-street parking, and to top off the end of the day, slip into a jetted tub to relax and regenerate. If you'd like more information on this property or similar properties, give Jeff Rue a call. He can create a custom list for you and send that to you straight away. You can reach Jeff at area code 805-679-3365.